Privileged to welcome you all to today's expert talk on the topic Technology Readiness Level TRL, Manufacturing Readiness Level MRL, Innovation Readiness Level IRL, and Intellectual Property Commercialization and Technology Transfer. But before getting on board with the event, I want to inform you all that we have organized this event under IIC. Institutions Innovation Council was established on 21st November 2018 at James Washington. Since the inception of IIC by Innovation Cell as per the norms and directives of Ministry of Education, it is established to engage large number of faculty, students and staff in various innovation and entrepreneurship related activities such as hackathons, leadership talks, ideation, workshops, seminars in IPR. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to introduce our speaker for the day, Dr. Anisha Tandon, who is currently serving as an associate professor in the Department of Information Technology. Dr. Anisha Tandon holds an MCA degree and an MTech degree and a PhD, reflecting her strong academic foundation. She has an immersive 18 years of experience in academics and research. She has been associated with James Washington for the past 18 years. Her area of specialization include Java programming, web technology, software testing, software engineering. Dr. Tandon has published numerous research papers on Scopus, ABDC, Web of Science, UGC Care Index Journal, and presented her work at various national and international conferences. She is also the proud holder of 3 patents and has authored a book on information technology, which is a part of GS IPU syllabus for BBA, BCom and MBA programs. In addition to her academic excellence, Dr. Tandon plays a vital role as IIC convener for the Institutions Innovation Council IIC at James Washington. She has successfully completed basic and advanced innovation ambassador training conducted by Ministry of Education and has conducted 5 workshop and expert sessions under this role. Her dedication to innovation, research and academic leadership truly makes her valuable asset to the institution. Now, without further delay, I would like to invite Dr. Anisha to take the podium and enlighten us with her expert insight on technology readiness levels.
So, thank you, Archana, for such a nice welcome. So, just would like to give an idea about if you are going to make any kind of a project, so you need to see the TRL levels. So, we are going to discuss about the process of innovation, development, technological readiness level, and the commercialization of the lab and technologies. So, technology transfer जो है basically we need to discuss about the same. So first of all, if you make any kind of if you have any idea, so you need to identify it carries on which stage. Okay? So if you generate any kind of the idea first, so idea generation like identifying market needs and the opportunity. So if you have any idea, you need to see what kind of the market opportunities we are having. We need to do the research properly. So research and development is also required. So creating and testing the new idea. You need to check whether your idea is fine or not. And you make some refinement. You make some prototype like dummy kind of the project for the same, so that you need to see how kind of the innovation you are doing. And the testing is also required, that is called as pilot testing. So in terms of the real world scenario, we need to see how our idea is working. And commercialization, like you have to scale up your levels, like launching the innovation. So you need to scale up like it is in which stage, like it's very good, not good, excellent, like in which stage we have to see कैसे हमारा वो scale up होता है. Now, so technological readiness is basically developed by Mr. Stan Tedin with NASA in 1974, and it has modified for use by many industry, government organizations, funders and investors. So they have thinking how to generate the idea, how to provide the funding, investors will also be involved in this. So TRL is basically determined a technological readiness assessment. We need to assess our thing, like what is our idea, we need to see the concept, what kind of the technologies requirement we are having, and the demonstrated technology capabilities also is required. So we need to check in which basically level our product, our program, our things are working. So the TRA looks at the initial idea and overall goal of the technology, assessing how clearly the concept is defined and how feasible it is. So we need to check how much our idea is feasible to us. Now, we have some importance also, like we need to see the bridging the gap. So between research and practical application, we are finding our things, but there must be some gap. We need to see कि practically और जो research हम देख रहे हैं उसमें कहाँ पे हम lag कर रहे हैं, but the things are required कहाँ पे कैसे हम उसको improve कर सकते हैं. Foster innovation. हमारा जो mainly focus है, that is basically to foster the innovation so that something new should come. Innovation is what? What is innovation? Innovation क्या है? Anyone can tell what is innovation? Yeah, to develop something new. So to create something new which is not previously available. आप real world में जब काम करते हैं, so you see कि there are so many problems we are facing and there is no proper solution for that. So we have to develop something which is new. A proof of concept means if you are developing something, so you need to show some proof कि वो कितना ठीक है और क्या आप कर रहे हो उस पर, तो आपको उसका प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट देना होता है. तो जो कॉन्सेप्ट आप बता रहे हो उसका पूरा प्रूफ, वो कैसे डेवलप हुआ और क्या उसमें आप यूज़ कर रहे हो, वो सारी चीज़ें आपको डिफाइन करनी होती है. तो वो TRL 3 वगैरह हमारा लेवल होता है जिसके लिए हमारी रहती है. सो द क्लियर गाइडेंस ऑन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, like if a technology is TRL 3, that is proof of concept. The next focus may be to move on to the TRL by validating the technology in a lab environment. अगर आपने सब कुछ अपना डिसाइड किया कि ये चीज़ें हम करेंगे, ठीक है, एंड देन यू नीड टू फिर TRL 4 पे जाओगे कि आपने प्रॉपर लैब एक्सपेरिमेंट से चेक करा है कि आपका जो टेक्नोलॉजी है दैट इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली. ठीक है. सो दिस स्ट्रक्चर प्रोग्रेशन एड्स इन प्लानिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट एफर्ट. तो प्रॉपर प्लानिंग और जो डेवलपमेंट है वो हमारी ईजी हो जाती है. So please keep note this, like we have some these are the levels, like 1 to लेके हमारे 9 तक के levels होते हैं. On the basis of what, like everything will perform. So first one we have the basic principles observe. We need to check what are the key principles in our project and we need to observe them. This is very basic and initial stage. ठीक है, like if you have started something, you are in the planning process, everything is in the planning stage. So that is one. Next we have the technology concept formulated. Like you have done the research, but you are formulating like how much your idea is fine. ठीक है, so you are formulating the technology concept formulated you have done. Then the third one that I already talked in the last slide, like experimental proof of concept. You have to show your work. And then technology is validated in the lab that we have already discussed. Like you are checking your technology during the labs. And then the fifth one, technology validated in the relevant environment. Like if you have some environment where you want your technology should work, so that in that environment you also test your technology. So that is called as the fifth level. And the other ones are very important because these are the basic stages where the government wants that your product should be there, project should be there. Like technological 6. So technology is demonstrated in the relevant environment. आप उसे proper demonstrate कर चुके हो. You are not in the stage कि you are making and everything. You are in the process of the demonstrating कि आप users सबको बता रहे हो कि this we have done. Demonstrate कर रहे हो. Then सेवन वन सिस्टम प्रोटोटाइप डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन इन ऑपरेशनल एनवायरनमेंट. जो हमारा मेन एनवायरनमेंट है, जैसे आप वहाँ पे यू आर बेसिकली मेकिंग, यू हैव डन मेक लाइक विद योर प्रोटोटाइप, आप उसको दिखा रहे हो यूजर्स को अपने प्रोटोटाइप को, लाइक इन द एनवायरनमेंट दैट यू आर शोइंग कि योर प्रोडक्ट इज वर्किंग. And then system complete and qualified. If it will be successful, then we are going to the 8th level. So it means your system is complete and it is qualified by all. It's working with the like जो भी आपका basic environment था वहाँ से वो accept हो चुका है, ठीक है. And at the end TRL 9 it means the main stage, like your overall system is working fine and actual system proven in operational environment. अभी nowadays अभी because जो बच्चे hackathon में भी थे and some students are having also idea, तो उन्हें आगे जो है they will submit their data in the UPT also. We have some innovation repository of the ministry, like where the students will submit their ideas. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे भी ये सब लेवल्स जो होते हैं उसके बेसिस पे यू नीड टू स्पेसिफाई कि आप किस स्टेज पर हो, ठीक है. सो टेक्नोलॉजिकल रेडीनेस लेवल, द करंट TRL scale places technological into 1 or 9 levels depending upon the maturity at the time of the assessment. So we are having 1 to 9 scale there, and you can see the universities along with the government funding sources. Please read. Universities along with the government funding sources focuses on the TRL 1 to 4, and between 7 to 9 जो प्राइवेट सेक्टर होता है बेसिकली उस पर फोकस किया जाता है, ठीक है. तो ये लेवल्स जो होते हैं इसके बेसिस पे ही हमारा जो प्रोजेक्ट जो होते हैं वो डिज़ाइन होते हैं. तो यूनिवर्सिटी एंड गवर्नमेंट फंडिंग सोर्सेज जो है TRL 1, जहाँ पे आपको बताया था कि बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स ऑब्जर्व किए जाते हैं. दिस इज काइंड ऑफ अर्ली स्टेज रिसर्च, like you are just thinking about, like you are making something and you are just looking for the research. So you are looking for the theoretical work only, ना. आप सिर्फ डेटा कलेक्ट कर रहे हो, उस पर रिसर्च कर रहे हो कि you are having this thing and you are making something, तो उसके ऊपर आपको एक रिसर्च करनी है. तो प्रिंसिपल्स आपके ऑब्जर्व हो गए, रिपोर्ट हो गए, दैट इज TRL 1. And then with TRL 2, like technological concept and application is formulated. So the concepts are defined and initial applications are considered. The third one we have analytical and experimental proof of concept. So we have to show the proof of concept that we have developed we are developing something. So in that case we have to show some proof. Like जैसे होता है कि hackathon में भी जब आप जाते हो, like you are presenting your idea. So it does not mean कि आपने अपना वर्क वहीं करा कि आपका आइडिया यही है, बट यू आर शोइंग दैट हाउ योर आइडिया इज वर्किंग, ठीक है. सो जो वर्किंग आप उसके दिखाते हो दैट इज मीन्स यू आर शोइंग द प्रूफ ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट कि ये आपका कॉन्सेप्ट कितना ठीक है, ठीक है. देन वी हैव द टेक्नोलॉजिकल वैलिडेशंस इन अ लैबोरेटरी एनवायरनमेंट, लाइक द टेक्नोलॉजी इज वैलिडेटेड थ्रू अ लैब बेस्ड टेस्टिंग, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू चेक कि वेदर your technology is working in a lab environment. Then like in the private sector we were talking like 7 to 9, it focuses on the private sector. So here system prototype demonstration in operational environment, that is TRL 7. So it will be demonstrated in a real world scenario or real relevant operational environment. Then TRL 8, actual system completed qualified through test and demonstration. So we need to like कि हमारा जो टेस्ट सिस्टम जो है वो कितना actually वर्क कर रहा है, we have to test it properly and it is qualified all the like levels before, then it's going to the 8th stage. And then TRL 9 like actual system जो है that is proof it's successfully working. ये सबसे main होता है क्योंकि because it is identified that our product or project is working fine. So technology is fully operational and it's working with the real world scenario. So जो ये सबसे later जो stage होती है 7 to 9 हमारी these are we are having. So validation वगैरह जो होता है वो इसमें सब में involve होता है. The basic focus क्या है? The basic focus is on the product development, market testing and scaling up. So at this stage, companies are looking to minimize risk and maximize profit. So TRL 5 to 7, technologies are moving from the concept to the real world. And the use of TRL also help us to make consistent, uniform and discussion of technical maturity across different type of technology. So this जो decision authorities होती हैं, they will consider the recommend.
हमारे पास ही है ना कि हम बिजनेस को स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं।
Business को start कर सकते हैं because in the early stage we are not earning.
हाँ, तो
We don't
इनिशियली
have
में
money.
हमें चाहिए होती है फंड।
Initial stage में चाहिए and we need to see कि which is the good मतलब जो भी investor है we need to analyze them also कि वो जो fund दे रहे हैं वो कितने ठीक है, उसको भी हमें देखना होता है ना, उनके भी कुछ रेशियो होती है, कहीं जो होते हैं उनके भी कि आपको 10% 20% हमने बाद में देना पड़ेगा, उनका भी कुछ क्राइटेरिया रहता है. Regulatory approvals are also required and manufacturing scale up, which we have seen in the previous slide. कि we need to check the at the which scaling it is working. ठीक है? So the process of transferring technology from research to if you want to ask. रिलेशन मतलब the companies are that आपस में कनेक्ट हो गए, तो उनके बीच में जो रिलेशन है दैट किसमें पूछा था रिलेशन हाँ IRL जो होता है वो इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग है कि हम इंटीग्रेटेड टेक्नोलॉजीज को इंटीग्रेट कर रहे हैं और फिर वी आर टेस्टिंग, तो वो आपस में रिलेटेड हो गया ना, तभी उनकी इंटीग्रेशन रिलेटेड टेस्टिंग. हाँ ऐसे थोड़ी अलग अलग वर्क कर रहे हैं, बट क्या हुआ कि जब उन्होंने कंबाइन कर दिया तो उनका रिलेशन आपस में कि कैसे रहेगा, पहले अलग कर रहे थे ना जैसे टेक्नोलॉजिकल रेडीनेस, बट जब हम आयरन में आए तो वी आर वर्किंग टुगेदर, तो दे मस्ट बी टेस्ट, तो रिलेशन मस्ट बी देयर, तभी तो वो कनेक्ट हो पाएगा.
मैम ये तो वेरी सुनेगी ना।
हाँ ठीक है.
Thank you. So I would like to present the vote of thanks right now. Thank you so much, ma'am, for such an enlightening and insightful session. Your explanation for how research and innovation can be translated into real-world impact has truly broadened our perspective and inspired us to think beyond our theory.